If you plan on marrying an Igbo woman, make sure you watch this video. I recently attended my cousin's wedding, and instead of making a vlog, I decided to make a video about what men need to know when they plan on marrying an Igbo woman. Don't worry, I took permission from my woman now to share this with you. So the first step is called Ijo or Iko. So basically at this step, the groom goes with his father or an elder to go and see the bride's family. The groom is meant to bring gifts, and at this point, the bride basically gives consent to the marriage, like if she wants to get married or not. Still under this Ijo said is a part where both families kind of investigate each other. They ask questions about the family they are marrying into. So after that, you have the Imego. Basically, this is the bride price period. The bride family gives a list to the groom's family to buy things. The groom's family is allowed to negotiate share, and the bride price varies depending on the Igbo state your wife is from. Next, you have the Igba Nkwu wine. Basically, that's like the traditional marriage part. The wife is meant to carry a cup and find her husband in the crowd. As you can see, the process is actually not that complicated, and I hope you guys have understood some things that it takes to marry an Igbo girl. So yeah, better save this video if you have plans on marrying an Igbo woman. And yeah, thank me in the comments. Save guys.